My phone ding ding, that's another load.
What's good, fam? It's time to get that money, baby. We already got the bag. We loaded. I'm going to put a picture up right here somewhere to show you what it is. It was just a couple of what's it called? Like roll-up kind of door kind of things. It's going up to look like a Walmart gas station. That's what I guess by looking at the pictures for where we're going. I told you, boy, do recon on the other end too. So based off the address, it looked like a Walmart, the Murphy's gas station. So that's what it looked like. We'll know when we get there for sure. But what it looked like matches what it looked like at Murphy's. So yeah, we already got the GPS locked in. We're about to get up out of here. Conway, Arkansas, 783 miles to old Findlay, Ohio. Gotta get up to Ohio. I got some work to do up there. Don't worry, I'll tell you about it later. Just sit back and ride with your boy. You know I'm gonna tap back in with you.
I lace my boots and hit the road. I don't waste time, I don't hesitate. Chasing paydays, I know God create. Hustle clean, hustle real, never cut no corners. Business booming from the city to the borders. When I feel tired, I remind myself quick. It's not luck, it's discipline mixed with grit. I'm on that money route, stacking up my wins, turn miles into paper. Do it all again, where I'm headed, only up, only through. Motivation in my pocket, faith in my shoes. On that money route, stacking up my wins, turn miles into paper. Do it all again, where I'm headed, only up, only through. Motivation in my pocket, faith in my shoes. On that money route, hustle loud, bank account shop, cover count. On that money route, hustle loud, bank account shop, cover count. On that money route, overnight grind, sunrise grind. You gotta have heart, you gotta have clear mind. Some days slow, but the bills don't care. So I keep pushing with a warrior stare. Invest in my gear, invest in my brand. I'm building something bigger than a van. Her wealth ain't just money, it's habits, it's peace. It's knowing how to grow what God increased. No shortcuts, just truth and cloud. Stacking up my wins, turn miles into paper. Do it all again, where I'm headed, only up, only through. Motivation in my pocket, faith in my shoes. On that money route, stacking up my wins, turn miles into paper. Do it all again, where I'm headed, only up, only through. Motivation in my pocket, faith in my shoes. On that money route, hustle out, bank account shout, bank account. On that money route, hustle out, bank account shout, bank account. On that money route. On that money route. On that money route. My phone ding ding, that's another load. I lace my boots and hit the road. I don't waste time, I don't hesitate. Chasing paydays, I know God create. Hustle clean, hustle real, never cut no corners. Business booming from the city to the borders. When I feel tired, I remind myself quick. It's not luck, it's discipline mixed with grit. I'm on that money route, stacking up my wins, turn miles into paper. Do it all again, where I'm headed, only up, only through. Motivation in my pocket, faith in my shoes. On that money route, stacking up my wins, turn miles into paper. Do it all again, where I'm headed, only up, only through. Motivation in my pocket, faith in my shoes. On that money route, hustle loud, bank account shop, cover count. On that money route, hustle loud, bank account shop, cover count. On that money route, overnight grind, sunrise grind. You gotta have heart, you gotta have clear mind. Some days slow, but the bills don't care. So I keep pushing with a warrior stare. Invest in my gear, invest in my brand. I'm building something bigger than a van. Her wealth ain't just money, it's habits, it's peace. It's knowing how to grow what God increased. No shortcuts, just truth and cloud. Stacking up my wins, turn miles into paper. Do it all again, where I'm headed, only up, only through. Motivation in my pocket, faith in my shoes. On that money route, stacking up my wins, turn miles into paper. Do it all again, where I'm headed, only up, only through. Motivation in my pocket, faith in my shoes. On that money route, hustle out, bank account shout, bank account. On that money route, hustle out, bank account shout, bank account. On that money.
We here, fam. We here. I gotta find out where they want me to take it as. You can see, it's the gas station at Walmart. That's where it's going. Now, you probably wonder why I got this headset on. That's because we still got the live going on. I told you Wednesday Night Live. You don't believe me? Let me show it to you. Yeah, Wednesday Night Live going on. I'll tell y'all about the load and all that after I get done. So let me go ahead and run over here to Walmart and find out what's happening, and I'll tap back in with you. Yes, sir, fam. Finito, baby. I'm finished. The chef is done cooking. Just like that, baby. Conway, Arkansas. Findlay, Ohio. 783 miles. And I got the mixing them ingredients up for that $1.27 a mile. Yeah, we got the band for that, 1,000. Old 1,000 out that thing. The band. The chef is in there cooking. Oh, y'all out there cooking? Y'all getting them bags? Y'all recipes coming together? Y'all got that temperature set out there? It's hot outside, so you gotta get that temperature just right. Y'all out there cooking? Cause I'm out here eating, and I know you better be eating too. And the only way you can eat and make sure you're cooking is the chef in over there, cause the chef is definitely in over here. Yeah, it's time. I ain't even fit. Y'all gonna have to see on the next load, but I gotta go ahead and deadhead down there. But we gonna finish things on off, cause I told you your boy came up here for some work. Well, not work yet. I had to make the schedule. That we already had the Houston meetup. We already had the St. Louis meetup. Your boy had to get up here close as I could, cause that Cincinnati meetup is coming. September 26th, last Saturday in September. So your boy had to go ahead and sprinkle some ingredients in that pot, get to stirring it up and get to cooking so I can get up to Cincinnati, because I'm out here. And it's time to go get the next load. I got to go get it in a minute. We got to go deadhead to that, but that's a whole nother story, because I told you I had to go. I came to Findlay, Ohio, but I got to get back down to Cincinnati as close as I got in a while, because your boy been running down there. But I told you, long as you got the systems, the strategies, and the formulas and stuff, you can make this circle run however you want to. It's up to you how you want to do it. Yeah, that's why your boy stay cooking. See, my systems and my strategies, those are the ingredients. All the formulas I'm running under, that's the temperature gauge. And my success, that's the best dish you ever had, even when it's served cold. That's why we out here cooking, and I stay eating. I want you to be eating too. Hopefully the tips and tricks, we've been talking about all these videos the last couple of years. Hope they've been working for y'all. I know they're working for some of them people, them grind setters. I've not seen it work for them. And I met a few people at the meetups. It's working for them. Some people hit me up on the line. Them formulas and them systems and strategies working for them too. But oh well. If day one fam, I know y'all get it. If you're new, you gotta go catch the videos. We talk about system strategies, formulas, all that kind of jazz. But your boy ain't done cooking yet. This was just the appetizer. I gotta slide down. I don't even know the deadhead. It's like 100-something miles. I gotta slide down because I gotta go check out the spots in Cincinnati to see where we meeting up. Once I figure out which one it is and I lock it all the way in, I'll give y'all the information. Well, y'all won't get it. I'll put the links out so y'all can come if you want. Come eat with us in Cincinnati. But yeah, your boy finna slide on up out of here. We finito with this load. $1.27. Cha-ching is gone. It's time to go ahead and slide to the next load. Yeah. Conway, Arkansas. Findlay, Ohio, 783 miles. The chef was in, and I'm done cooking the appetizer. I gotta slide down. The temperature waiting down there where I'm about to go to, so I can go and get the next meal. So we can keep eating. Y'all keep eating. Y'all keep getting them bags. Y'all keep cooking. Stay safe while you're doing. I don't want you burning yourself. But let me stop because it's time to go get to the bag. So yeah, keep eating, keep cooking. Stay safe, and most of all, until the next video, y'all stay blessed.